Hello, this is Jammal Adiyo Baba. Today is November 17, 2023. I'm going to do the second of the three Raimi Amọdu songs that I have that were produced by Abibu Oluwa. I have three of the songs. I already did one, so I'm going to do the second one. The first one I did was the post-mortem one. So I'm going to do the second one. This one is about Abdu Raimi Amodu, Abdu Raimi Amodu. Ọkọ Arinọla, onile wura onile wura. Who is Raimi Amọdu? Raimi Amọdu is a successful businessman on Lagos Island. Lives near Agatin Road in the Ereko neighborhood. Ereko commercial area in downtown Lagos Island. His forerunners were from Ajashe or Dahomey, pre-partition of Africa. But after the partition of Africa, the Yoruba land was cut, and some portion of it were Dahomey, some portion of it belonged to Nigeria. So the siders on the Dahomey side, it still kept their Yoruba name Ajashe. It's different from Ajashe Ikpo. Ajashe Ikpo is in Kwara. This one is Ajashe near Lagos, closer to Lagos. He was a successful businessman and is well known on Lagos Island. So let's go. Let's hear what Abibu has to say historically with his musical documentation. Onimọjọ gbé mọjọ jade, ebi ń pa mọjọ. Ebi ń pa mọjọ, onimọjọ gbé mọjọ jade, ebi ń pa mọjọ. Raimi Amọdu Raimi Amọdu. Ọkọ Arinọla onile wura buruburu. Ẹnikan mọni, Koni bajẹlumọ, koma ẹnikan mọni. Dala dolulu dala dolu dala dolu dala. Nǹkan dùndù dala. Raimi Amọdu Abdu Raimi Amodu. Ọkọ Arinọla onile wura Kìí kú, ọmọlágídí kìí kú. Oníṣègùn pa mí ò má kú, kúkú pa mí, pa mí. Bàtà tó bá mi lẹ́sẹ̀ mú mara bàtà tó bá mi lẹ́sẹ̀ mú. Ẹni tó ń ṣe mí kò rẹ́sẹ̀ ṣe. lè gan pẹ́ láláì rí gbà o òye mo lè gan pẹ́ láláì rí gbà ló lè bímọ láláì robirin. That's deep. Abibu. La ilaha illallah. There's only one God. Oh yeah, bear with that. There's only one God. La ilaha illallah. Ọba dáríjì àwa ẹ̀dá. Ibẹ̀ towards the end yóò ráhùn. So la ilaha illallah ọba dáríjì àwa ẹ̀dá or ọba dáríjì Amọdu. I don't know. Abibu, he loves koma ráhùn kọrin. But it tails off. So I couldn't catch the last word, whether it was Amọdu, the noun that he was using, or ẹ̀dá. My fascinating ká tún gbọ́. The drums are good. So let's go. Mọjọ, onimọjọ, gbé mọjọ jáde, ebi ń pa mọjọ. Ebi ń pa mọjọ. Onimọjọ, gbé mọjọ jáde, ebi ń pa mọjọ. What's mọjọ? Mọjọ is the most valuable items in a woman. Ẹ jẹ́ a fi sílẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. So the drummer Mimilola, ebi ń pa mọjọ, onimọjọ, gbé mọjọ jáde, ebi ń pa mọjọ. Onimọjọ, gbé mọjọ jáde, ebi ń pa mọjọ. It's just being coy, trying to bait her to come out and have fun. Ebi ń pa mọjọ, onimọjọ, gbé mọjọ jáde, ebi ń pa mọjọ. Meaning you know you want it. You know you want it. Let's go. Mọjọ, onimọjọ, gbé mọjọ jáde, ebi ń pa mọjọ. Raimi Amọdu oye. Raimi Amọdu, Ọkọ Arinọla onile wura o. Ọkọ Arinọla onile wura. What's wura? Wura is gold. Yoruba word for gold is wura. Ọkọ Arinọla onile wura, meaning she's a very wealthy lady. Back then, in the early 19th century, even till when we were born, it was still the key items that women will invest their money in. The wealthier they are, the more gold collection they have. And if they are traders, that's where they put their money in. And then when they need to convert it to liquidity, then they'll cash it out. They'll catch portion of it out. Let's keep going. Ọkọ Arinọla onile wura. Buruburu kó má kẹ́nìkan mọ́ni, kò ní bajẹlumọ, kó má kẹ́nìkan mọ́ni. No matter how bad things are for you, there will always be at least one person still supporting you. The number of your supporters might diminish, but there's still going to be someone in your corner. That's how life is. Isha àti iyọ̀ Olúwa. Isha àti iyọ̀. You have a lot of supporters, a lot of friends. And you then come crashing. And then one phone like me. But there was still going to be one person in your corner. Kò ní buruburu, kó má kẹ́nìkan mọ́ni, kò ní bajẹlumọ, kó má kẹ́nìkan mọ́ni. Then they finish the sentence with ẹni tó kù la ò mọ̀. Kò ní buruburu. Ẹni tó kù la ò mọ̀. Kò ní buruburu, kó má kẹ́nìkan mọ́ni, kò ní bajẹlumọ, kó má kẹ́nìkan mọ́ni. Then here, Omarilu, talala, tololo, tololo, talala, tala, talala, talalala, igba, tala, tala. You gotta listen to it. Tala, tololo, tololo, tala, tololo, tala, tala, tala. Kìí kú, ọmọlágídí kìí kú, ọmọlágídí kìí kú, ọmọlágídí kìí kú, ọmọlágídí kìí kú. Oníjègùn pa mí ò má kú, kúkú pa mí, pa mí. Tó bá mi lẹ́sẹ̀ mú, òye. Bàtà tó bá mi lẹ́sẹ̀ mú, ẹni tó ń ṣe mí ò rẹ́sẹ̀ ṣe. Ajanaku fojú jẹ ọ̀bọ ò tọrọ jẹ, ọ̀bọ ò tọrọ jẹ. Ajanaku fojú iṣẹ́ wọ̀ ọ̀bọ ò tọrọ jẹ. Talala, dololo, talala. Bata tó bá mi lẹ́sẹ̀ mú. I don't care what the haters is gonna say. They still gonna hate. So, bata tó bá mi lẹ́sẹ̀ mú nítorí ẹni tó ń ṣe mí ò rẹ́sẹ̀ ṣe. Ṣé mi kò rẹ́sẹ̀ ṣe? Mo lè gun ọ̀pẹ lálàíní igba tó máa fi the palm wine tappers, it's brown rope. It ties around the trees. Yoruba used to climb on the trees. Tie it on the trees, and then they fasten it, and then they go, and they just keep going. But Abibu said, he can't climb the palm tree without the rope. Mo lè gan pẹ́ láláì nígbà o, lè gan pẹ́ láláì nígbà. I can do a lot of things. Something as tough task as climbing trees without assistance, without rope. Well, then he came back with the next sentence. Talo lè bímọ láláì lóbìnrin. Because láti bímọ, you need an X chromosomes and Y chromosome to combine. You have the male chromosome, the guy that's XY chromosome guy, the man, to mate with XX chromosome. Then whatever the man contributed is going to determine whether the baby is going to be a boy or a girl. So if the man drops his X into the bucket, and we already know the woman is going to drop the X into the bucket, then it gives us XX, then that means the baby is going to be a girl. If the man, out of his X and Y, and he drops the Y into the bowl, and the woman drops IX, which that's what she will always drop, the X chromosomes, then the new baby is going to have XY, which is a boy. So kò ń ṣe bí obìnrin ni ó ń determine ọmọ tá a máa bí o, but in the century past, a lot of women have been blamed. Kò lè bọ́kùnrin, obìnrin ló ń bíjọ, but it was the man. Ọlọ́run kò túnbọ̀ ṣamọ̀nà wa. Let's continue. Oh, láláì nígbà, ẹ ló lè bímọ láláì lóbìnrin. Ọba dáríjà wa ẹ̀dá. So that's the second song that I have in my collection that Abibu sang for Raimi Amọdu. Kúkú pa mí, oníṣègùn pa mí ò má kú. Bàtà tó bá mi lẹ́sẹ̀ mú, òye. Màrà bàtà tó bá mi lẹ́sẹ̀ mú, ẹni ṣe mí kò rẹ́sẹ̀ ṣe. Mo lè gan pẹ́ láláì nígbà o, òye. Mo lè gan pẹ́ láláì nígbà. Ta ló lè bímọ láláì lóbìnrin? You guys don't forget your Doremi. Leave a message. Leave comments. Especially if you know about Raimi Amọdu. You guys remain blessed.